Hi, my name's Elena Weiss, and I'm a partner with the Williams Law Group. Here's 5 things that I would never do in the year after I get a divorce. Number one is make major changes in my life. In the year after the divorce, make as few changes as possible. Try not to move, change jobs, or change your lifestyle. Divorce is enough of a change for now. Number two is get involved with someone new. Any relationship that you enter into right now will be based on panic, need, or grief, and it's not a good way to start a new relationship. Number three is trash your job. Your job is more important than ever. Don't jeopardize it. Level with your employer, make up the time if you have to. If you're unhappy at work, wait at least a year to start job hunting. Don't burn any bridges on your way out. Number four is spend money frivolously. Don't go crazy treating yourself to luxuries to make yourself feel better. The necessities of life for you and your children come first. And number five is shut yourself off from friends and family. Friends and family can be your greatest allies in tough times. However, be careful about taking their advice and always talk over legal decisions with your lawyer first.